Hi. Well, I was going to go out and do an overnighter, and the wind is so bad I decided not to. But I was packing this pack up, and I noticed something. There's a little tab here that you can put either a string or so that you could take and maybe tie a blanket on top here or a sleeping bag. And they got Velcro on them. I don't know exactly. This is a pack that Second Chance George bought, and he was going to use it for kayak camping and decided it was either not big enough or too small. So anyways, I decided to bail on the overnighter because of the wind. I was afraid of, being in the tent and a limb bust off and come down and maybe getting hurt, or walking along the trail and the limb coming down and maybe hitting me, because up on top of those mountains, the wind gets whipping pretty good. And second of all, the temperature isn't as warm as it was. And I have my 5-star whoopee in here for a sleeping bag, which would have been way too light. I was going to take and use a pull a fleece blanket underneath it and throw a goose down throw on top for extra warmth, but I still think it would have been too light, and I didn't want to freeze, and I didn't have time to pack the heavier sleeping bag and all this, change all this stuff into my house pack where everything would have fit a lot better. So anyways, that was what was going on today, and then I was going to shoot another video outside. I took a training hike. I added some more weight to this. I'm eventually going to take a backpacking trip here, and I want to do some training, get the old back used to carrying a load. So I upped the weight to 30 pounds instead of 27, and which isn't a whole lot. I mean, 2 pounds, but it was just the extra stuff that I threw in there on purpose to bring the weight up to 30 pounds. So there you have it.